Welcome, Crypto Explorer. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the USDT mining of Delta coin. It is actually USCT, but I called it USDT because you would actually be earning actual USDT when you do this, right? And mining USDT is not the only thing you can do on this very app. Of course, for those of us who are already mining this, we already know this. I'm just going to click on this right now and turn my miner on for today. And this is it. My mining has just begun. So what are we actually talking about? We're talking about the USCT mining of Delta Network, and this is it right here. A lot of people don't even know what this section means, but I'm going to be explaining that to you today. So I'm going to click on this right now. Now, in my previous video, I explained how to watch ads to earn USCT of Delta coin, right? And that's the part 1 of that very video. This very video is the part 2, and I told you guys that in the part 2 we're going to be talking about this right here, which is completion of tasks, how to earn USCT by completing tasks, right? So this is actually what we're going to be focusing on today, right? If you want to watch that very video, just check the card up on the screen, the top right hand corner of the screen, or check the description of this very video. I'll be leaving the video link in the description of this very video, right? So go watch that very video to understand what we're talking about, right? I'm not going to go ahead to start explaining how all this works, right? It's advisable you go watch that very first video. So if you want to actually find that very video, you can just open up your YouTube, right? And you just have to search for my channel, then come over to the video section, right? Once you come over to the video section, you get to see this very video right here, right? So this is the video right here. So once you click on it right now, so this is actually an ad. I'm just going to pause this very ad right now. So what you're meant to do right now is to click on this very section that says more. For some browser, you get to see more. So click on this, and this is going to bring you to the description of this very video, right? If you click on more right now, you might also need to click on more right here, and this is going to bring you to the description of this very video. So you're going to see the link of this very video in the description of this very video, right? So yeah, somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here, I might title it recommended or related video, so you might want to go watch them immediately. So this is actually the video you are meant to watch, right? But this is actually an ad right now. So let me just go back right now. So what we're meant to discuss today is the completion of tasks that earns you the USDT. So let's click on this right away. So if you look closely right here, you can see this very instruction that says tax point conversion. Now tax point converts to USDT at a fixed rate. So 250k tax point equals 1 USDT. Overall tax typically reward much higher points per tax, right? So looking at this right now, you can tell that for every 250 tax points you get, that amounts to 1 USDT, and 1 USDT conversion rate is equivalent to 1 USDT, right? 1 real USDT. And the USCT actually means US credits, right? So this is basically how this works. Now there are 3 tags right here, which is the Timewall, Ayet, and PlayTime. Now the Timewall, you perform simple tasks with quick completion, and for the Ayet, you perform high paying offers, which includes app installs and games, right? It usually includes app installs and games. While for the PlayTime right here, what you do is you earn point for spending time across games, right? So you have to install these games, then you play them, and your points accumulate, right? So this is basically how this works, right? And whatever you earn, let me just go back now, whatever you earn would appear right here. But first, you would have to claim them before they appear right here. I'm going to show you where to claim them later in this very video. So let's click on complete tasks right now, and let's click on this very one that says Timewall. So I'll just show you how this works. I'm not going to show you a detailed process of how this works, but I'm going to explain it so it will be as understandable as possible, right? So let's click on Timewall right now, and you can see this says open Timewall, right? Browse and complete available offers. Just like I told you before, once you complete tasks on Timewall and you earn some points, these points will get to accumulate here, where you'll be able to convert those points to USDT, and this is how it works. So this very settlement will display, I think, yellow, and once it displays yellow, you are meant to click on it, right? And once you click on that settlement, the points get converted. This is basically how it works, but I won't be able to show you this right now simply because I have claimed every settlement right here. Now if you don't claim this settlement on time, they will be terminated, right? You can see I had a lot of termination right here, and that was when I didn't even realize you could actually earn USCT on this very app. So let's click on open Timewall right now. Now once you click on this, this is going to actually sync with your Delta app. This is basically how this works. But at first, you verify your registration by completing the verification below. So you just have to click on this captcha right here, which I just did, and this is going to lead you to the Timewall section. Now for this very Timewall section right here, I'm just going to click on allow right now. Now for this very Timewall section right here, you can see points right here, right? And you just have to complete your profile by selecting your age, selecting your state, your date of birth, your day of birth, year, and stuff like that, right? This is where you actually complete your profile, right? So these are other points right here where you can earn from, and these points tend to accumulate right here. So this is actually survey, right? And you can see that once you complete your profile right now, you unlock access to high paying surveys, right? So what we're going to do right now is to simply complete our profile, and I'm just going to do that real quick. Now as you can see right here, this is Delta Coin logo, and this is showing that Delta Coin is connected to this very app, right? Another thing you need to know is that any points that is spending will be shown right here, and anyone that is due would appear right here. This is basically how this works. You can also see that this is the notification bar right here, right, that notifies you of any points that you've actually earned. All right, so what we'll just quickly go ahead and do right now is to complete our profile right here, and I'm just going to do that real quick, right? So let's click on this very one that says complete profile. So let's click on this, and just have to enter our postcode right here. So to get your postcode, you just have to go to Google and ask what is the postcode of your local government area, and Google will reveal that to you. So I'm just going to quickly fix mine right here. This is what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to select my gender, select my state, select my month of birth, the day, and the year, right? So once you're done selecting every necessary information, you can now go ahead and click on complete profile right now, and this is actually submitting. As you can see, profile completed successfully, and you now have access to quick survey points, right? So you can go ahead and click on this right now, and you'll be able to answer a survey right now. So yeah, see this very survey says, if you could travel anywhere in the world with unlimited money, where would you go and why? So you can actually pen down where you would actually travel to and why, right? The reason you would like to go to this very place. So it's actually simple surveys, right? Now let's click on this menu section right here. I'm just showing you guys this so it won't be hard for you when you try to do this. And once you click on this right now, you can actually see that we are in the survey sections, right? We are in the survey section. Now we have the game section right here, the tax section, and the click section. But you should focus on the survey because this is where you are redirected to, right? And once these points accumulate, you can come over to the withdraw section right here, click on it, and this is where I believe you'll be able to transfer your tokens to the Delta Coin app, right? This is basically how this works. So let's click on this very cancel at the top right here, and head back to the Delta Coin app. So this is it right now. This is how the Timewall works. So let's head back right now. Now we have the Ayet right here. Now this very Ayet is hyping offers, app installs and games. I'm not going to be installing apps and games, but I'm just going to show you how this works. So let's click on open Ayet right now, and this is going to redirect us to the Ayet platform. So you can see right here, these are app installs. Right now, if you have a lot of data or you're someone that likes to play a lot of games, this is how you make money playing games, right? You make money playing games by installing these games and raking up points. You can see this right here is easy, and this is actually ranked from easy to hard, right? This right here is easy, then we have the medium, and then the hard. But the harder it is, the more points you get. So this is basically how this works, right? So you can just look for any game right here you feel you want to install, or any game that interests you, and you install that. So let's click on this right now. I clicked on World City Connect World game because I see a lot of ads about this very kind of game, and you can see that this game is basically about levels, right? Now if you open the app, right, if you open the app, you get 0 points actually, but if you reach level 20 within the first day, you get 2,500 points. You reach level 50 within the second day, you get 11,200 points. You reach level 100, you get 25,000 points. So this is basically how it works, and this progresses, right? Now this is the highest level, which is like level 1000. You get 252k points for this, right? Now if I click on N492,500, this is going to actually lead us to Play Store, where we need to install the game, right? So this is basically how this works. Now I'm just going to cancel this, right? and head back, right? We just explore the Ayet section. Now let's head over to the PlayTime. Now the PlayTime is also similar to the Ayet, right? If I click on PlayTime right now and click on open PlayTime, right, this is going to lead us to another interface, right? This very interface is actually going to link your Delta app to this very platform, which is called GD PlayTime. And you can see that these are actually featured offers right here. We are actually in the featured section, and you can also see that you have the offer section, which would show you personal offer given to you. Now once you log into this app for the first time, you might not have a personal offer, but once you do the second time, or you do regularly, you might be given an offer, right? And now if you have any question at all that you need to ask, you can come over to the support section and open a support ticket right here, right? Over here you would also get to see the FAQ section, where your frequently asked questions are answered, right? So you might want to browse these questions and understand what you're talking about. Questions like, how do I avail an offer? When will I get my reward? How will I get my rewards? Why haven't I received my reward, right? So you can get to read this up and understand what they're talking about. But let me just go back to the featured section right now and show you how this works. So you can see this very tax right here says million deal win million Android. Now if I click on this, I get 4.1k points, right? If I click on this right now and perform this very task, I'll get 4.1k points. So this is actually an app, and you just have to install and launch it to earn the rewards, right? Why for some you would have to not just install but also progress, right? You have to also reach a certain level to earn certain amount of points. If I click on play now, this is of course going to redirect us to Play Store, right? This is basically how this works, or redirect us to any site at all that we need to download this very app. So you can see it says sorry, this offer has expired. So for this, we just have to head back. Now there's a certain tax I want to show you right here. I don't know if it's still available. Let me just scroll down a bit so I can show you that very tax. So this very tax would actually lead you to different sites. Now this very tax is called Pinata Fiesta. Now I don't know why the image of this very tax is not displaying, but I just want to use this to explain to you what I'm talking about. If I click on get 6.1 million coins right now, I'm using this to explain this to you because this very tax right now earns you points the moment you begin to progress, right? The moment you begin to get to certain levels in the game. So you can see that this very Pinata Fiesta right here, just for reaching level 150 right here, you earn 500 points. You reach level 200, you earn 1.5k points, and things begin to change when you reach level 550 right here. And down to the very bottom right here, you can see level 2000 right here earns you 5 million points, right, which is the highest right now. And if I go ahead and click on play now, this would actually redirect us to Google Play Store, right, where you'll be mandated to download this very app. So this is basically how this works, right? Now let me just say something. Not every app you click would actually redirect you to Play Store. Some are going to redirect you to an entirely different site, right? But this is basically how this works. Now if you receive an offer right here, now let me also make something clear. My offer right here are tags you have opened, right? These are tags you have actually opened. You can also receive a limited time quest right here, right? This is just what you need to know, but every app you have opened would appear in my offer right here. So make sure you actually take that serious and get things going. So I'm just going to exit this right now. So this is basically how this works. Like I said before, whenever you earn points and it gets to appear here, you are meant to convert this tax point to USCT right here. And once you do the conversion, if you head back right now, you're going to see those tax points right here. So this is basically how this works. This is something the Delta network team introduced to the Delta apps to help miners also earn or profit from this very app, right? So this is how the complete tax section of the USCT mining of Delta network works. If you have any question regarding this very video, I'd like you to leave that in the comments section of this very video, right? And if you haven't watched the first video, like I said, I'll leave that in the description. If you haven't joined Delta network, I'll leave the link in the description of this very video and in the pinned comment. Most importantly, for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.